Let's crawl underneath and we're going to install this screen. All right, y'all, so this is such a simple job. I'm just going to show you just done because it is that quick. Okay, so there are two 10 millimeter bolts, one on each side. So you take that bolt out, and then in addition, right here in the back, and it was so hard to see, it's the reason why I put the screw in. There are little teeny tiny little plates, and the screen comes with a screw. So you pull the bolts out on each side. So just back these out. Just put this flange over here, put the bolt through it, and secure the bolt. Do that on both sides. And this is on the back side of this rubber bumper. So it actually has a little bit of shielding from this rubber bumper. Okay. And then you've got these two little screen holes on the back side. And you just use a screwdriver and gently push these up through the plastic. These will drive up through the plastic and help hold the back edge. It really is that simple. And as you can see, it's in place. Looks really, really good. I wouldn't want to be running without one of these to help protect this radiator.